Hello everyone, this is Niraj. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new over here, subscribe this channel because I share everything about web development. So, in the series of learning NextJS 14, we are in the fourth video. In the last video, we discussed about the styling part of NextJS 14. We saw how we can import custom CSS and tailwind CSS in our project. We also explored CLSX package that conditionally add class names to our project. Alright, if you have watched that video, that is great. If you have not watched that video, I will put the link in the description box. Make sure to check out that video. So, without wasting our time, let's start the intro of this video. So, in this video, we are going to explore and learn how we can optimize fonts and images in our website in Next.js 14. You know, guys, fonts and images play an important role in optimizing or in preventing page load time. You know, guys, if there is 1 second delay in loading Amazon website, there will be huge loss of for Amazon. So we must, as a developer, should know how we can optimize fonts and images so that our website can be faster. So without wasting our time, let's start. So let's talk about why we should optimize fonts. Yeah, I told you earlier, but let's explore in detail. Fonts play a significant role in the design of a website, and using custom fonts in our project can affect performance if the font files need to be fetched and loaded when someone opens our website. But here is a good news. Next.js comes with font optimization. From next/font, we can optimize fonts. It means Next.js automatically downloads and host the font files at build time with other static assets. It means when a user visit our website, there will be no any additional network requirement or data requirement. So it can really save our or save users time and data. So let's add a primary font to our website and make our website looks cool. So head to UI. If you are following this series, you must know what this UI part and what does this contain. This contain all the front end part of our website. So let's create a new file fonts.typescript. Yeah, so we are going to import a primary font for our website. So let's import fonts and then Google. Let's import Inter. Alright, let's export this and then its subset as Latin. Okay, so we have successfully created a primary font for our website. Let's implement this in layout. So how we can use it in our website, in our application. So we need to first import it from the file app and then UI and fonts. So let's import inter, and in the class name let's add this inter.class name. So let's check in the browser. Okay, why it is, yeah, I have not opened my development server, so let's open this first. Npm run dev. Yeah, let's refresh this. Why is it taking so much time? Okay, so you can see the difference in fonts. So let's add one class name of tailwind. It will add smoothness in fonts. This initialized. Yeah. and you can see our application looks great than previous. So I will show you the difference. First I will cut this import, and then you can see the difference, and I will paste it again, and you can see how smooth our font look like. And yeah, you don't need to take stress about this font. It will automatically hosted by NextJS when we build it. So I want you to practice a secondary font. You can use this file and just import from here. I want you to import Lusitana font. So I hope you was able to do this. So let's do this again. Lusitana and export this. Lusitana from, okay, so I think the spelling is wrong. Yeah, Lusitana from Lusitana, and then its subset. So let's do this width as 400 and subset as Latin. So this is how we can export another font as a secondary font in our website. So let's use this in page.tsx. So let's first import this. What was the name? Lusitana. Yeah, Lusitana from thread app, and then UI and fonts, and I want to import Lusitana. Okay, what is the error? Let's set to, yeah, export it. Okay, so I think let's do this again. Lusitana from, okay, so let's use this in our project. Let's curly bracket and then in dollar sign Lusitana dot class name. Okay, so as you can see, this font has been applied successfully. Okay, so if you want to apply first font and second font in the website, this is how you can do it. So let's add the logo. Let's uncomment this. So in the last video we made this logo with custom CSS because we didn't have this Acme logo and then these fonts, but we now know how we can import this and use it in different parts of the application. So let's first comment this and uncomment this, and you will see this good looking Acme logo. Alright, so this is for the fonts. Okay, so let's move to optimize images, and let's see why we should need to optimize images when we have img tag. Why we need to use Next.js 14 images tag when we have this img tag. So let's first implement it in our website when it cannot found the image. So I will write dot dot dot. If you head to public folder, you will see three different images: hero desktop, hero mobile, and then this open graph image. So let's add hero desktop dot png. Okay, so let's go to browser, and you will see this image. Okay, so there is nothing bad with this img tag, but you have to make this image responsive in all devices. Let me show you one great disadvantages. If I click refresh, first upload the my network, and then if I click refresh, you will see shifting. So as you can see, the layout shifting of this image. So this is the main problem. We want our website to load fast so that user can enjoy and spend much more time on our website. Okay, so let's fix this. Next.js comes with a great image tag. To use it in our application, let's first import it. Alright, image from next and then image. Okay, so let's use this. Comment this first and image. There is nothing fancy or complex, just we need to pass width and height in this and the source. So let's add width to be 1000 and height to be 760. Let's add first source property. So hey, I want hero desktop from public, and if you don't know why I'm just writing this slash, it will, let me tell you, it will automatically detect this image from this public folder. So let's add one class name of tailwind as hidden and md as block. So let's add alt property if it cannot found this image. So let's add dot dot dot. Okay, so let's move to, yeah, what is the issue? Let me check. Desktop. Okay, the spelling. Okay, so the spelling is wrong. Hero desktop.png. And you will see this image. You don't need to ensure any responsiveness in different devices because Next.js automatically does this for us. So basically it is for desktop. We need to add one more. Let me inspect this first. If I go to small size, and you will see the image is gone. This is because we need to implement another image so that it will show in mobile devices. So let's reverse this md as hidden and block. Okay, so let's refresh this and go to the website again. Yeah, so as you can see, this image looks so great in different devices. Yeah, that's why we have to use image tag from NextJS 14. So this is for now, guys. If you want to learn images and fonts in Next.js, I have opened some great website for you. Head to this website and you can learn image optimization more. I will put this link in the description box. If you want to learn font optimization, about more font optimization, then you can head to this link and then you can read this article. They have done great work in writing this code and this documentation. Okay, same as this, I will also put this URL in the description box and head to this developer.mozilla.org. And if you want to learn more about images, you can follow this documentation. And yeah, if this is for fonts, so if you want to learn more about fonts, head to this URL and learn this great documentation. I will put these 4 URLs in the description box, so don't worry. Okay, so this is for now, guys. If you like this video, just hit like button and subscribe this channel. So sorry for the late video. I was making the 1 hour to-do list app with Next.js 14. I have uploaded the video. If you want to check it out, just go to my YouTube channel and go to video and you will see the first trending video. Yeah, this is trending for me because this is the fastest growing to 96 views. Alright, so leave it. And so check out this. It is made with I made this with Next.js 14, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and use context as Next.js project. It is a great video. So thank you for watching, guys. I will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.